What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with our DC audio tax time sale up to 20% off. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into this. We're going to talk about the DC audio sale. We have 4 different subwoofer lines from them that's going to be on sale 20% off of their most popular ones, actually. So we're going to start off over here with the DC M3 6.5. One of the most beastie 6.5 inch subs on the market. Conservatively rated at 300 watts RMS. You got the venting out the back plate. You got a nice embossed DC audio magnet boot and nice push terminals here. Got a splitter spacer in here to help get more extension from the subwoofer on the front side. Oh, we got a silicone pack in here. Somebody would install this and would be stuck in there like, why is my sub making all these noises? I've had that happen to me, by the way. On the front side, we got a nice medium roll surround stitched to the cone, and overall a very nice subwoofer. These are normally, I have it wrote down right here, normally $196 each. Now they're $156 for these very nice DC audio 6.5, 300 watts RMS. So we're going to move on to the next subwoofers from DC audio that are on the sale. These are going to be the M3 8s. Very popular 8-inch subwoofers, 600 watts RMS. Basically the same treatment as the 6.5. You got your vent rings, you got your cooling out the back in the back plate. You got your embossed DC audio magnet boot, heavier duty push terminals than its little brother over here. You got a patented DC audio basket looking very nice. You can see the cooling in here, so it's going to have very good performance. And on the front side, you got double stitching and a high roll surround, so you get even more throw out of these as well. And you got your mounting gasket there. Beautiful subwoofer from DC audio. Some of our most popular 8s that we sell. Normally $225. These are $179 on the sale, so very good pricing on those. We're going to move up. So we also have the level 1s and level 2s on this 20% off deal, but we have, I just decided to grab a level 2 standard style of basket. Again, these are their more budget friendly subwoofers, coming in at 600 watts RMS, but we do have some cooling holes in the basket here, help to cool it down, and also in the back with the venting in the back plate. Same treatment as the other ones. We got the DC audio magnet boot embossed right there. These are normally $250 each. We got them on sale for $199. So that's going to be the sale items for DC audio. But I do have some honorable mentions over here that people have been waiting to come back in stock, which are the DC Audio XL series subwoofers. Here we have the DC XL Beast. You can see that they're not playing around. These are some monstrous subwoofers. Over here we have the standard XL, and on this side we have the XL Elite. You can see the XL Elite is bigger and badder. It has a custom DC audio basket here, looking very nice, but it also is going to give you more throw. It's going to be better on the lows. Both great subwoofers, but you're going to get a little bit more performance. If you're wanting the low end, like a stronger low end, you'll definitely get it out of the XL Elite, but both of them are great subs, so be sure to grab you some of these. We finally got them back in stock after being out for a very long time. One of the hottest sellers from DC Audio. So again, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask on the comment section below, and if I see it, I'll try to answer it for you on one of our videos. Thanks for checking it out. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.